Hey everyone, so another Tesla check-in while it's fresh on my mind. Started this morning knowing I wanted to go aggressive as a bull. I was very happy with the gap down open that we saw shaping up, and I knew I was looking for a 4-hour higher low and knew I was looking to be aggressive for that 4-hour higher low. Now I'm going to be looking for a 4-hour lower high somewhere in the $800 to $850 range. But how did I establish position? Well, first things first, I entered one position pre-market, and that position was at 696 on this pullback. And it was the kind of thing where, again, I was anticipating everybody was going to buy at the open, and I wanted to skip the line a little bit and have at least some exposure in case we shot up right when the bell rang. So I entered that first position at 796, and my game plan from there was I will enter another position, or from 696, I'll enter another position in the 670s and a third and final position in the 650s if we keep dropping really excessively. So we started the morning great with a nice big bull move, and I ended up buying right when the bell rang another position, my second position, changed my game plan, knowing that I was comfortable with 696 in the profit at that point, and I just wanted to have a big position again in case the bulls just shot right up at the open. I then saw that we were not doing that, so I exited with pretty much break even, $1 profit, back to my normal position. So still in a position, now average of 695. Let's see how it plays out. We dropped down. I said, okay, I'm going to sit back and patiently wait for the 670s if we get there. We didn't get there. We bounced and hit a new high of the day. That's another point in favor of the bulls that has me say, okay, good sign for the bulls. That makes me more confident. And from there, I watched the 1 minute time frame, saw this pullback. Again, still in my one position. I said, all right, I'm entering a second position, playing off the low of the day. So I entered at let's get my exact order here. Entered at see, 944, entered at 696.20 and sold at 700 because, again, I was just looking for an hourly lower high. So that's just me trying to continually lower my break-even price of my core position. So a little $4 flip. My break-even is now from 695 to 691. Then I just patiently waited, saw the 1 minute bull break. That's great. Another point in favor of the bulls in the big picture. And then we eventually hit the new high of the day. Great. I've got my core position. That's all I'm looking to do. Let's see how much the bulls can run with it. We just had a huge move and follow through. Everything's looking great. This is going to be a multiple week maker trade at this point, and ended up saying, okay, I need to close my computer and leave before I do anything stupid like sell my shares, knowing I want a bigger picture play to take place. Right before I closed my computer, I sold at 743. I sold half of my position, rebought it at 735.01, just above a big order bid. So only got my fill by 1 penny. Dropped my cost basis. I sold half position for, let's see, I reloaded. How much cheaper is that? $8 cheaper. So I dropped my core cost basis another $4. Forget what we're down to now, but somewhere in the 680s. And that's where I stand. So I'm now closing my computer and going to be looking for 5 minute to see follow through once we top out here. Very extended. Just looking for a 5 minute higher low. Try and change the trend on the 5 minute. We'll see if we can get a 15-minute trend change later in the day. Hourly trend change before the end of the close would be great, but just looking for a solid close for the 4-hour higher low to try and be set here. So that's where we stand. Congrats to any bulls that made some entries this morning. I look homeless. It's raining significantly. We'll see you soon.